In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate the Advanced Chart widget with responsive design. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring that you have a full understanding of how to effectively use this powerful tool from Tradingview. You'll be able to integrate these features seamlessly into your projects, enhancing your charting capabilities with ease. First, head over to Tradingview's website. You'll find Tradingview is an excellent platform that provides charting solutions for tracking all kinds of markets. Navigate to Tradingview and get ready to explore their robust array of tools and widgets. Once you're on the Tradingview homepage, look for the More option, usually located at the top of the page. Clicking here opens up a drop-down menu, offering you a selection of different functionalities and tools that Tradingview provides. From this drop-down menu, you're going to want to click on All Widgets. This will lead you to a new section where Tradingview showcases all the available widgets you can use, making it easier for you to select the right tool for your specific needs. Now onto the selection of the widget. Here, you'll see an option called Advanced Chart. Click on it. Tradingview's Advanced Chart is designed to offer a more detailed and customizable charting experience with various indicators and comparison tools. After selecting the Advanced Chart, look for a button labeled Get Widget. Clicking on this will take you into a configuration area where you can start to fine-tune the chart according to your requirements. In this configuration space, you'll find the option to Add Indicators. Indicators can enhance the data visualization of your charts, providing more depth and insight. Choose the 24-hour volume indicator, which will give you a more granular understanding of your chart data over a daily period. Once you've added your chosen indicator, press Apply. This will ensure that the indicator is now a part of your chart, making it easy for you to spot trends and movements directly. Next, explore adding symbols for comparison. Click on Add Symbols to Compare, which allows you to overlay additional datasets onto your chart. This can be incredibly useful for comparing different financial instruments or market trends side by side. Finally, when everything is set up to your satisfaction, click Copy Code. This step provides you with the HTML code necessary to embed the chart widget into your own website. Copy the code and integrate it wherever you need it to appear. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated the Advanced Chart widget with responsive design from Tradingview. By following these steps, you can leverage rich charting capabilities in your own digital spaces, empowering your analysis with advanced data visualization tools. Thank you for watching, and happy charting!